The risk aspect is linked to the inconsistency of such a return, whereas the profit or loss on an investment is expressed as a percentage. Investors may only anticipate the largest investment return if they are ready to tolerate a higher level of risk between the two companies. An investor wants to earn higher profit, he or she must take a higher level of risk in charge. As a result, investment decisions include a trade-off between risk and return, which is seen as important to investment decision making.
For this assignment, we have chosen two companies, which is Proton and Perodua. For the Proton company, it was established in 1983 and it was founded by Tun Dr. Mahathir. Proton is also the first brand of Malaysia. As for Perodua, it is Malaysia's second brand and was established in 1993. The word Perodua comes from the name of its official company, which is Perusahaan Automobil Kedua Sdn Bhd.
5.0 Calculation of required rate of return. The needed return on an asset is the minimum rate of return required to entice an investor to buy or keep the asset. An investor required return on an asset investment may be calculated using this formula as follows. Beta coefficient for DRB Hikom Berhad is 1.89 and beta coefficient for MBM Resource Berhad is 0.92. For market return in 2020 is 7.3319% and risk-free and return 2020 is 1.73. Based on calculation, the required rate of return for DRB Hikom Berhad is 12.31, while the required rate of return for MBMR Resource Berhad is 6.88.
As we can see from figure 1 between Proton and Perodua, Perodua have a lower beta with 0.92, therefore have a lower expected return of 6.88% on investment, while Proton have a higher beta with 1.89 and have a higher expected return with 12.31%. Perodua is expected to earn an additional return of 5.15%, while Proton is expected to earn an additional return of 10.58%. Not only that, the market risk premium between Perodua and Proton was the same, which recorded 3.87%. Therefore, a company with a beta lower than 1 is less uncertain than the overall market, meaning the asset is less risk in the overall market.
Okay, for this company, it shows us that the revenue has shown an increasing in RM 13.2 billion compared to the last year, so increasing in active local supplier by 91%. Profit that has been gained by the company is RM 550.1 million. This profit is before tax, and market share of the year 2020 is increasingly about a quarter by 35% increase. This shows us that the company has been on the right track, show a positive financial report. This company shows us that the revenue of the company in 2020 is RM 1.79 billion. It shows decreasing because in 2019 it shows that the revenue is 2.11 billion. It shows us that the company might has been on some problem during 2020 by show an overall negative financial report.
I will explain conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, DRB Hikom Berhad have higher return than MBM Resource, which is 12.31 required rate of return. Next is recommendation. The best investment for investor is DRB Hikom Berhad for sure. And recommendation for DRB Hikom Berhad and MBM Resource to improve their organization: firstly, consider all opportunity and threats. Secondly, make an unique innovation. And lastly is maintain a good relationship with supplier.